In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply Constant Contact as partner program. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Constant Contact Partner Programs landing page. Make sure you are on the correct page so you can view the available partner options directly from the source. This is important because each program is designed for a different type of business, and starting from the official page helps you avoid confusion and makes the application process more straightforward. Once you are on the landing page, take a moment to scroll through the available program cards. You will typically see options such as agency, business, creator, or chamber. Your goal here is to find the program that best matches your business type and the way you plan to work with Constant Contact. It is a good idea to read the labels carefully, so you choose the option that aligns most closely with your services or audience. After you find the right program card, click the button attached to it. Depending on the program, this button may say Get Started or Apply Now. Both options take you into the application process for that specific partner program. Be sure you are selecting the button for the correct card since each application is tailored to that program category. Next, complete the application form with your professional business details. This usually includes your business name, your website, and a short explanation of your promotional strategy. When filling this out, keep your responses clear and professional. Focus on how your business operates and how you plan to promote or support Constant Contact through your audience, services, or marketing efforts. Accurate information can help make the review process smoother. Once you submit the form, the Constant Contact partner team will review your business information. This review is meant to confirm that your promotional approach aligns with the program guidelines. At this stage, there is nothing else you need to do except wait for their response. It is helpful to be patient, since approval times can vary depending on the program and application volume. If your application is approved, you will move into onboarding. This means you will receive access to your customized partner portal. From there, you can begin using the tools, resources, and partner features that come with your approval. That covers everything you need to know.